Alright fam, so before we stop the video, check your cooling, guys. Your anti-freeze stuff. Look at mine is low, guys, like extremely low. So we're gonna go ahead and fill like this. You can definitely use water or an anti-freezer. Obviously we're in Cali, so we don't need, but an anti-freezer we recommend that if you guys live in snowy areas where it gets like below, I want to say 60 or 70, 60 degrees at least, but Cali's not that bad. But we're definitely gonna do that. So luckily I was doing the video, because as soon as I was doing the video, I noticed and I was like, yo, we gotta check that. So you should have the concept 3, because they explained to me how to put this on. Careful, because it does get hot. So we're gonna do that. I probably should wait until the camera here. Probably should wait until that engine cools off, but I'm gonna do it now before I forget, because knowing me, I'm gonna forget, guys. So it's a little bit hot, it's not that bad. Oh, boom! No, it's fine. There we go, guys. Put this thing right here. My advice would be get one of this. Guy just cut off a bottle, honestly. Just because you don't want to make a mess on this, so you know. There should be a line where it says okay, so check that out.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your...
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
looks like your car, guys. There's a Porsche over there, but everybody chooses the modified Kia Stinger fan. He's taking a look at your car. Yeah, it looks like. I don't got my fucking clicker, dude. Huh? Thank you.
Yeah, nice work.
Appreciate it. I was looking at your Porsche.
Yeah, thanks. How long have you had it?
How'd you know it wasn't mine? I was driving.
Oh, my bad.
It's not mine. It's not, but I was driving.
Oh, I see. I thought you replaced your seats, but
No.
Yeah, okay,
Only a
gotcha.
year ago, yeah.
And so you got new wheels. Obviously, you lowered
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
What else you do?
Intakes, blow-up valves.
Oh, wow.
He's a Stinger owner.
Oh, yeah?
I do have one.
Cover,
He has one.
cover your ears. Cover
Over
your
your ears. There we go. Maybe
So what is that? What is that sound? That
That's the blow-up valves and the intake. So that's like pretty much more air on the turbos, pretty much.
okay, so that's intake air going in.
Yeah, in the blow-up
Oh,
valves.
engine. Okay, I've read about that.
Yeah.
So is that if it
horsepower, right?
A little more on the intake, yeah, for sure. But I
so
got
what do
the-
these valves do? If it's too much pressure, they give.
Pretty much the blow-up valves is just
Yeah.
for the turbo noise, pretty much. That's all it is.
Oh,
So
okay.
it liberates more air. So much more air goes in, much it goes out. So you got like the
okay.
perfect lungs for the turbos. You got the perfect blow-up valve. Just releases more air. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You gotta steam. If you gotta steam, you gotta put the JB4 on too.
Well,
Have you talked
unfortunately,
about
so here's the rest of the story.
Uh-oh.
So I work for Kia.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh
it's-
no! Don't tell me.
And you're under arrest.
It's a company car.
Okay. Oh, okay. I get
Yeah,
you.
so
I didn't even
can't
know.
do anything to
Oh,
it.
okay.
Oh, you do?
I didn't
Where
know
did you
see
buy it?
This one I got here in Escondido. Here in
Oh, you
Escondido.
did?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But I got this one used. I didn't get it new. I got it like with 1 year use.
And you had other
somebody
ones?
it. Before this one, I had my Toyota Camry.
Oh, wow.
Got my
How do you like
I'll
that?
show you that one. Expected.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like
Are those because they're like tinted, right? Like kind of like in the dark, like smoke.
Yeah.
Now it would be red, right?
Right. Exactly.
I think. Yeah. It's either this or red.
yeah, it's a work art.
It is a work of art. Mind if I record it? That's a beautiful car.
League on this vehicle.
Hey.
There's rule followers here.
The roof on. I don't know. I saw you going 100 miles down there.
At Jenner featuring OC 718 Spider.
I like. Oh, there you go.
Hey, we saw OCT Spider out in the track around the mountains. He was spotted. See, right here, white guy.
There you go. Can you turbo this car? Is it a little? Alright, you guys drive safe, yeah?
Alright, man.
Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Drive safe. Don't be going over 100 in this car. I know it's easy. Alright, guys. Sit back to roll because we're late for war now.